thunderstorm warning for south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Kersey, or 14 miles southeast of Greeley, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Additional storms over southeast Weld County may produce 60 miles an hour wind gusts as well. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fort Lupton, Lac Bowie, Hudson, Kersey, Keensburg, Gailton, Gill, Prospect Valley, Riverside Reservoir, Milton Reservoir, Barnesville, and Roggen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader! Let's go, my first doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elbert County, eastern Arapahoe County, and northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Byers, or 35 miles northwest of Lemmon, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Deer Trail, Agate, Strasburg, and Byers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood advisory in effect until 5.
Let's go. Woo!